Hello and welcome to day number, you see it right here because I forgot. At the moment we try to find the way to Mount Olympus. Then we're gonna ride the small roads around Mount Olympus. And then we're gonna head direction North Macedonia. So let's see how far we get, and you will see that at the map right now.
Don't deny me, 'cause I feel it. It's your heartbeat, it's your hands. Don't deny me from this feeling. 'Cause I could never say goodbye. No, I can't let you go. I'm trying to be so ungrateful. It's just that I hated myself. But then I decided I needed to wake up to hold in the light, to be by your side. So please don't deny me, 'cause I feel it. It's your heartbeat, it's your hands, it's the feeling of your body and your spirit in a dance. And I could never say goodbye. No, I can't let you go. 'Cause it's realer than love. And I won't let it go. No, no, no. 'Cause it's realer than love.
And now we finally go up to the real Mount Olympus, not just the area. Now we go as far as we can get till the road stops, then we turn around. Should be around 35 kilometers from here.
But I don't know why you hit the road.
I have a couple of those. That's no fun.
'Cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to pull me back. 'Cause I won't be there. I won't look back.
Yes, now we are on top, or basically at the end of the road, which Google marked as Mount Olympus, but there is not much to see. There will go some couple of small roads further up, but it doesn't look like they're leading to anything interesting. So we're gonna turn around here and find a restaurant for lunch.
And now it's the time in the season for love and greetings. Orange, you brought some gifts for me. I see.
What a Merry Christmas would be. Me get again just out for your Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve when them a count down, me a count pound. At the brown, but those rich in a town of my sound. What a Merry Christmas would be. If me get again just out for your Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve when them a count down, me a count pound.
Hamburger.
Me a count pound. At the brown, but those rich in a town of my sound.
Just got into a police control, but I just wanted to see the passports, and then we had a little nice chat about the weather and where we came from and where we're going and all this stuff. So all good. Still have the same amount of money that I had before, which is not much, but better than nothing. So, coming to the border of North Macedonia. And since I'm not sure if they will kill me if I'm filming, then so turn it off. And 3 minutes later we are over the border. Easy, just needed a passport. No green card for the bike. No bike papers. Passport and go. And there you see the proof. Now we're in Macedonia. Or maybe not. Okay, there's a second border. I guess they ask for the car papers here. Yeah, let's see how long this one takes. So that's half an hour later, and the customs basically robbed me. They said the digital green card is not valid because it's not the original. So I tried to explain to them that yes, this is original, this is what the insurance sent me, and they said no, this is not the original. So I had to pay 55 euros. What a scam. So I guess I have to find some green paper and print it on that green paper. Then everybody is happy.
Yeah, let me stay here if there's room.
Yeah. Excuse me? The lights are on.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Nice one.
Tom works here. Yeah. You lead or I lead?
You've been leading the whole day, so.
Just show me the place. So down
So it's in
from
Ohrid.
there is Ohrid.
Yeah, it's Ohrid.
What a view.
When you're around, I won't think twice when you are gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back. 'Cause I won't look back. I won't look back. 'Cause I won't look back. On my own, and I don't know why. She told me it's not your fault, but you don't realize that I never wonder what's the truth. In your eyes, there's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back.